How to clean your AirPods. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for all AirPods users: how to keep your AirPods clean and fresh. If you've noticed dirt, earwax buildup, or a drop in sound quality, it might be time to give your AirPods a proper clean. But don't worry, cleaning them is easier than you think, and in this video, I'll guide you step by step to safely and effectively clean your AirPods, AirPods Pro, or even the charging case. We'll cover everything from the tools you'll need to common mistakes to avoid, and I'll share tips to ensure you don't damage the delicate components like the mesh and sensors. Plus, by the end of this video, your AirPods will not only look as good as new but also perform at their best. So, grab your AirPods, and let's get started. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to cleaning off dirt and dust, cleaning your case, and keeping AirPods clean. Now let's get started. Things you should know. 1. Wipe down your AirPods with a soft, dry lint-free microfiber cloth. 2. A dry cotton swab can help clean hard-to-reach areas. 3. For tougher jobs, use a 70% isopropyl alcohol wipe or a microfiber cloth with a drop or two of distilled water. 4. Do not submerge or run your AirPods underwater. Method 1. Cleaning off dirt and dust. Number 1. Wipe down your AirPods with a microfiber cloth. Don't use a regular cloth or rag. This could damage the polish on your AirPods. Microfiber cloths are also better at picking up small particles than regular cloths. Hold the microfiber cloth in your hand and gently bring it over the entire surface of each AirPod. Number 2. Use a dry cotton swab to wipe off hard-to-reach areas. Hold the cotton swab in your hand and gently rub the soft end through the small cracks and crevices on your AirPods. Carefully wipe over the speaker grills to remove any dust or wax that's built up on them. Don't push too hard on the speaker grills, or you could damage them. Number 3. Rub away dirt and grime spots with a pencil eraser. Place the eraser on the spot you want to remove and gently rub the eraser back and forth. Once the spot is gone, wipe off any leftover eraser shavings with the microfiber cloth. Number 4. Brush the speaker grills with an anti-static soft bristle brush. If you don't have an anti-static brush, you can use the bristles on a clean, dry toothbrush instead. Use the bristles on the anti-static brush to brush away dust, dirt, or wax that's stuck in the speaker grills. Use a gentle brushing motion so you don't damage the grills. Number 5. Use a damp microfiber cloth or 70% isopropyl alcohol wipe as a last resort. If your AirPods haven't been cleaned in a while, you may need to use a little bit of water to remove tough dirt and grime spots. Add a drop or two of distilled water onto a microfiber cloth to barely wet it. You can also dampen it with a little isopropyl alcohol or use an isopropyl alcohol wipe. Then, rub the damp part of the cloth over the surface of your AirPods. Don't let the wet part of the cloth make contact with the speaker grills, or moisture could get inside of them. Do not attempt to use your AirPods until they are completely dry. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning your case. Number 1. Wipe down your case with a soft, lint-free microfiber cloth. Gently wipe the entire surface of your case using a microfiber cloth. Do not use abrasive materials to clean your AirPods case. Number 2. Use a clean, dry soft bristle brush to clean your charging ports. You can use a soft bristle brush, like a clean toothbrush, to remove any debris from the charging ports on your AirPods case. Number 3. Use a slightly damp 70% isopropyl alcohol wipe as a last resort. If there is any tough dirt or grime on your case, you can clean it using an alcohol or Clorox wipe, or an alcohol wipe or a microfiber cloth damp with just a little bit of 70% isopropyl alcohol. Make sure you do not get any liquid in the charging ports. Wait for your case to completely dry before using it. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Keeping AirPods clean. Number 1. Wipe down your AirPods every few days with a microfiber cloth. Periodically cleaning your AirPods will stop them from collecting a lot of dust, dirt, and wax. Keep a microfiber cloth in the case with them or close nearby so it's easy for you to wipe them down regularly. Number 2. Keep your AirPods in their case when you're not using them. They'll be less susceptible to getting dirty if they're stored away. Avoid putting your AirPods in your pocket or your bag, where they'll collect lots of dust and dirt. If you often use your AirPods at night, keep their case right next to your bed. If you like using your AirPods on the go, carry their case in your bag. Just make sure it's closed so dirt and dust particles don't get inside. Number 3. Clean your ears regularly. Not cleaning your outer ears can cause wax to build up, which can transfer onto your AirPods when you wear them. You can clean your ears with a homemade solution containing equal parts hydrogen peroxide, mineral oil, and glycerin. Number 4. Don't share your AirPods with other people. Your friends might leave your AirPods outside of their cases, which could lead to dust and dirt getting on them. Also, wax from their ears could get on your AirPods. Holding onto your AirPods will let you control how clean they stay. If someone asks to borrow your AirPods, kindly tell them you paid a lot of money for them. Offer to let them borrow a cheaper pair of regular headphones instead. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Warnings. 1. Do not submerge or place your AirPods under running water. 2. Avoid getting liquid in any of the opens. 3. Allow your AirPods or the case to completely dry before attempting to use them. 4. Avoid using harsh cleaners with chemicals. They could damage the outside of your AirPods. 5. Do not use abrasive materials when cleaning your AirPods or AirPods case. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.